Hi everyone, I'm Santosh. Welcome to English Abaka. Today I'm going to teach you from the supplementary book of Class 10 CBSE Chapter 1 A Triumph of Surgery. It's an interesting story and also they convey an important message through this. Let me start with a short gist of the story. A dog who is the pet of a rich lady, she loves her dog very much. So she won't refuse anything to him. As a result, the dog became fat and ill. His mistress consulted a veterinary surgeon and the dog is also admitted in the hospital. What happened to the dog? Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover from the problem? This is the core concept of the story, A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means a great victory or achievement. Before enters the story, let's know about the author. A Triumph of Surgery was written by James Herroyd. His real name is James Alfred White, is known by the pen name James Herroyd. He was a British veterinary surgeon and also a famous writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916 and died on 23rd February 1995. He used his many years of experience as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books. Each consists of stories about animals and their owners. He is best known for the semi-autobiographical work, which means real-life incident mixed with fiction. In 1970, he published a book, If Only They Could Talk, which was very famous and also appeared in a series of movies and televisions. First, you should remember three important characters in the story. First, rich lady Mrs. Pumphrey. Second, the dog Tricky. And third, veterinary doctor, and also he is going to narrate the story, James Herroyd. Now let's get into the story. The story starts when Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. Our author, as I told you, is a veterinary surgeon. While he sees the dog, he got shocked because the dogs look like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end. Bloated means excessive in size or amount. As a surgeon, he advised the rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat. But the rich lady is not able to refuse him because she loves her dog very much. The next month, Tricky falls sick and in a bad condition, so Mrs. Pumphrey called the doctor. The narrator, Mr. Herroyd, came and explained that the dog has to be admitted to the hospital. But Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog and nearly fainted by just hearing those words. But Mr. Herroyd explained that it is the only way to save your dog. Then she has no other option, so she agreed. The narrator took the dog in his car. Mrs. Pumphrey gave Tricky's belongings like bed, visions, toys, various bowls, etc. But the narrator refused to take those because there is no space in his car. Then he takes the dog to the hospital. Tricky looked down at other dogs. They sniffed around Tricky and ignored it. The dog doesn't move much nor eats anything for the first 2 days. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day, and when he was taken out, Tricky started to play with the other dogs. Because of the hunger, Tricky licked the bowls of the other dogs, started to eat on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. Tricky started fighting for his meal with other dogs. When this news reaches Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky needed energy foods to recover from an illness. Mr. Herroyd and his partner started eating those eggs for the morning breakfast. Then for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending bottle of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Herroyd. He used to take 2 glasses of wine before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then when she started sending bottle of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Herroyd thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the hospital. The narrator was very happy having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon and closed the day by having brandy at night. But then he took a wise decision and called the rich lady as she was really worried about Tricky. So the narrator called to the rich lady and informed that Tricky was completely alright and now he is ready to go home. By hearing this, the rich lady was very happy. She came to the hospital with full of excitement. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress after a long time, so he jumped on her and started to lick on her face. By seeing Tricky, the rich lady was very happy because the health condition of the Tricky is so good. So she thanked the surgeon from the bottom of her heart and she said, "This is the triumph of surgery." The story ends. This story tells us how loving someone more than required can be dangerous too. The victory of surgery gave back the dog's life and the owner learned a lesson. Hope you can understand the story well. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.